How to fix USB ports not working on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to get your ports responding again with a few different fixes. First, unplug all USB devices from your PC. Restart your PC, then plug them back in one at a time. After that, if the issue continues, right-click the Start button. Click Device Manager. From there, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. At this point, right-click each USB root hub listed and click Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. In the next step, restart your PC to let Windows reinstall the USB drivers automatically. Following this, if ports still don't work, go back to Device Manager. Right-click your PC name at the top and click Scan for hardware changes. Once done, open Settings, click System, then Power and Battery. From here, click Power Mode and make sure it's not set too low, since some low power modes can limit USB performance. Keep in mind, USB Selective Suspend can also cause ports to stop responding, so check power options and disable it under Advanced Power Settings if the issue continues. Finally, if none of these work, test the ports with a different device to rule out whether the issue is the port or the accessory itself. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix USB ports not working on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.